Right folks, we're back out, had it and did it. Little and large,
Yeah.
Laurel and Hardy.
All the gear, but no idea.
So, you'll guess by now there's somebody that's not here. So, Bugsy's not here because
He's busy sewing his tights, isn't
he's
he?
busy sewing his tights. What do you think of that? Get your comments down below. So, tonight we've got the hot tent out. I've just got a new stove. You maybe watched my video that I posted last night. Just the wee unboxing.
What's the secret?
I keep getting asked what the secret is, but that's why it's a secret. But we'll get the stove out tonight in the hot tent. Stuart's kindly brought, what you brought, Stuart?
The onetigris Black Orca smoky hut tent.
Fantastic.
So Colin's going to do a separate video of it that he'll upload as a separate show and tell type video.
Right, and Stuart's also brought the pizzas.
Dutch oven.
Very nice. So,
They're all mines and Colin's.
you probably see this in Stuart's video, but we're also thinking we'll maybe start getting t-shirts made up. So,
Yeah.
with the old one-liners,
All mines, all mines.
get your votes in now! So,
Thinking about it, so
whether we'll do it or not, we don't know, but you can comment below, see what you think.
Maybe a good-
See if you think it's worthwhile. If not, then we'll no bother doing it.
maybe a good Christmas present one.
But I think it will.
Because they hats as well.
Yeah, hats, t-shirts, what else? What else can we do? Comment below, what do you think? Mugs, hooded tops. Yeah, the list is endless.
It all goes to help towards the camping fun, guys.
Yeah, the
not as
camping
a-
fun, so we can get out more,
More
so you can watch
videos.
us out in the middle of nowhere, having a laugh, having a joke,
Yeah.
and having a good time.
We
So,
can buy more cameras and more things, you know. It's not as if we're doing it to make profit, aren't we?
no, 'cause we just,
It's to
it's
buy
all
more.
about the adventure
That,
and getting
exactly.
out here. As Derek
Exactly.
says, get yourselves out there. Right, wee review. So, tonight we've got the onetigris Black Orca Smoky Hut hot tent. So, full weight is,
The actual tent is 850, the poles is 350, and then the pegs, I think it takes it up to like 1.4 kilograms or something.
so that's pretty good. And you'll
Still
see that,
nylon.
still nylon, very light, I must admit, especially when you see the size of this tent once it's up. And obviously we're going to have the hot wood burning stove set up in it tonight as well. So what we'll do is we'll get it out of the bag, we'll get it set up, and we'll give you a wee look at it, see what it looks like set up. But very quick to set up, probably only 5 minutes at the most,
Yeah, it doesn't take long.
and
Yeah.
we'll have it all set up.
Will we
So-
do it? Will we fast forward it? You can fast forward, can't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what we'll do, fast forward this while I'm setting it up. Alright? What the thing's called? No, that's...
Oh, we don't need to adjust this even with the pole in. This is just to get it. Even though I don't have the stove for it, I think just using it as an actual tent, it's that with dinner as well.
It's the sheer size of it, the fact that there's much of nothing down.
It came with it some guidelines, so I just added some. I don't think it came with some. What's the expensive side thing, you know? Don't forget to mention it's got line locks on it as well.
What?
Line locks. Line locks and control it under. I've done a little list, I forgot the name of them, but I'm going. Yeah, comment below, something like that brain please. Then it came back to me and I went, line locks.
I'm back to that as well. That's how I've been sent off this. Product information, this is basically off.
I just do it. See if it makes me look like that, I don't care. But
So, you can see there, that's literally, it's only taking, what, not even 5 minutes, it's up in no time. Obviously there is an inner you can get with it as well. Tonight we've not got the inner, because we're going to set up the wood burning stove and stick it inside. So we're kind of looking forward to that. It'll be quite good to get. We've a heated tent tonight, so should be excellent.
should be.
Do a wee bit of cooking on the top of it as well. So right, it's also got the adjustable line locks on it as well. So ideal just for tightening it all up and making it nice and sturdy. But looks pretty good. A great spot to set it up. A view.
We'll show the inside, Colin.
We'll come round, we'll do the round tour. As you can see, it's a great size, great size.
Welcome to my home for tonight.
Stuart's humble abode.
Yes, I'm thinking of selling my house and moving into this, you know.
So, as you can see, it's a singular pole on the inside. Just basically sets up. Good thing about this tent, even with the inner, there's no hole in the middle,
not like the DD
on the
one.
base, like the DD tent. So you're not going to wake up in the middle of the night in a pool of water. But it definitely has plenty of space inside.
It's probably good for two of us, isn't it? So if Eddie's watching, Eddie was saying he was wanting a 10-man tent. This probably isn't a 10-man tent, but I think it's perfect for a working a camping, isn't it? Me, Colin and Bugsy.
Right, definitely.
We'll
We'll get the stove in here. Probably get our chairs in here as well.
Let me show the stove part, Colin. So this is...
Right, so this is obviously, it's got the flap in the outside of the tent, which just opens up, and this is what obviously the flue will go out through with the wood burning stove. So just Velcro. Oh! But ideal, very good design. I definitely like it. So like I say, you do need the, I think it's the flash arrestor, I think you call it.
stove jack.
Stove jack.
And it goes on. We don't have one.
We don't have one tonight. There's actually, it has arrived at my house, but we've obviously left early today. So I'll even do it.
Only here and no idea.
Yep, that's us. But I'll double up as a window for the now. But ideal, all crack clips together. I'll bring you outside.
So,
what, and there's me tripping over things. Oh, I'm always tripping over guy lines.
So you can put it up. You can. It's got the reflective. See it light up during the night
Ideal.
when you shine a torch on it. So there you go. Look, you can.
And obviously the fact it clips on as well means it's not going to be flapping about and end up touching the flue of your wood burning stove.
Yeah.
But very nice design, great looking tent. I think I'm going to get myself one of these. Even more so the fact to get the wood burning stove now. But obviously we'll bring you back once that's all set up and we've got the thing kindled up and burning away. We're sitting in a nice wee hot tent. But it's looking good. So, it's looking pretty good, huh? Definitely like that. But we've got a nice cracking spot, great view tonight. So hopefully once the stove's set up, we'll get it kindled up and it'll be toasty warm in no time. But can't wait to try this stove up out, I really can. Plus, I really do, I'll need to get myself one of these tents. There's no point having a stove like that, we don't have a tent to put it in there. Even though that, at the end of the day, I know I can set it up. You can basically use it outdoors as well for cooking, but this is exactly what you want it for, one of these kind of TP tents. So, I'll bring you back once we get the stove out. Alright. So, really nice loch this. You can see coming down, feeding the loch there. But been out kayaking in this a few times as well. Great kayaking loch. Loads of bits to go. Normally come in at the bottom end. There's a good few bits here as well. Pretty good to launch for. But obviously not get the kayak. I've not really had it out as much because it's kind of winter time, but we get back out of that this summer. But great wee spot, really nice.
Right, that's Colin showing.
So that's the Frontier stove. So like I said, I did a video last night box that we set up, but this is us getting out to use it outdoors. So great bit of kit. Not actually in the bag, maybe the rest in the bag, but I've just noticed it's actually got a wee carry handle. It is 12 kilograms, so you're not going to take it. Very handy, the fact it's got a handle, you can just carry it down to where you want to set it up. So right now we're going to head down to the hot tent, get it set up, get it kindled up, we'll get a wee fire going inside it, heat that tent up. So I'll bring you back once we get down there. Right folks, so this is the Anevay Frontier stove. Right, so that's us all set up. So that's us get the stove inside, all set up, flue coming out the outside of it. I reckon 20 minutes we'll be roasty toasty, but it does look good, definitely. Seems even commandeered that as a wee table to do, but I reckon in 20 minutes time you'll not be able to do that because that thing is going to be roasting hot.
I think that Pepsi Max will be bubbling.
Yeah, I think it will, Stuart. But it's looking pretty good, so let's get it kindled up. Right, it's the grand opening. So this is the first time this has been used. So I'm going to stick a wee firelighter in first, just to start her off.
See if Bugsy's watching. I'm the cameraman, Bugsy.
Yep, here's the cameraman. I noticed Kevin commented last week, I had a full production crew. I've got an assistant chef, I've got a cameraman, I've got lighting. But I think we'll get a lot of use out of this.
Oh, I think so.
This is a nice and toasty warm, I think. We'll see where it's going. We'll get smoked out here. Okay. So that's it, we'll let it kind of heat up. Like I say, there's a wee damper here, so that's obviously to adjust the airflow. Obviously the more air I think you put into it, the faster it will burn. The less air you put in it, then the slower it will burn. But Obviously you want to get it kindled up, but I reckon it'll move along and it'll catch.
The rain is on as well, guys.
Yeah, you can probably hear that pouring down. It's raining, it's pouring. But that's it getting christened. So, you feel it heating up already. I probably shouldn't do that, so don't try this at home. But I definitely can feel it heating up just now. Like I say, you can actually remove this, so you've actually got the open flame as well. So that basically, well or not, I don't know if I would take that off inside a tent, probably not. But at the end of the day, you can cook on top of it as well. And basically just sit your frying pan and the whole thing will heat up anyway. But pretty pleased with it, I reckon.
We will be cooking breakfast in the morning.
Yes, for sure.
I've brung some black pudding, bacon, potato scones and some rolls.
Oh, Stuart's prepared.
So we'll have that in the morning.
So, looking good. Let's just have a wee glance inside. Oh, it's starting to blow now.
Did you bring your thermometer, Colin?
I didn't. But I reckon 10 minutes from now we'll be at 20 degrees. What do you think?
I think so, yeah, we
Pouring
will
the rain
be.
outside, but we'll be nice and toasty in here.
We will be.
So, we'll maybe bring you back once it kind of kindles up. We'll stick a couple of wee logs on it, but must admit, pleased with this. I reckon we'll get definitely a lot of use out of it. It's supposed to be snowing next week, so fingers crossed it does.
You can't take one of these up a mountain, extreme mountain camping, can't you not?
No. 12 kilograms, so I wouldn't like to carry it too far, but if you're reasonably close, you've got not too far to walk, then ideal, really is. Nice bit of kit.
What is the brand, Colin?
It's Anevay Frontier stove. So I think I've said before, but I'll put a link to their channel. They've also said that they'll give me a wee discount code, so for all my subscribers, if you're interested in buying one, I will be putting a discount code at the bottom of the video. So like I say, not sure what the discount's going to be yet, but hopefully it'll be a reasonable one. So hopefully you'll maybe go out and this will encourage somebody, or more than one person, to go out and buy one of these. But it definitely is. Very pleased with it. I'm very pleased with it. Right, that's this. I don't know, it's been going about 5 minutes. It definitely is. It's roasty, toasty hot. I can definitely feel the difference in temperature already. Can't beat that, can you? Cannot beat it. But definitely I'll be getting used a lot of this. I'd highly recommend one. Obviously you've got to have the right kind of tent to put it in, but it definitely is a great bit of kit, a great addition to the kit. So definitely the heat coming off it now, it really is. I can really feel that heat. Right, the tent's heated up at least a good, I don't know, 10-12 degrees already. We've only had it on 10 minutes or something. So brilliant. Right, that's us. Got it all set up. Don't know if you can see the smoke there coming out the top of the flue, but it definitely is. You can definitely feel the difference in the heat inside that tent now. But yeah, definitely pleased with it. I think together with Stuart's tent and my stove, there'll definitely be a good few trips out in this, for sure. So, that's us out. Smoky hut, hot tent. You get the wood burning stove on the go, and you can make that out. But definitely well pleased with this. Right, what's cooking tonight? So, we've got the hot tent over there. Just now we're just coming out because we've got the good old Dutch oven. And about Stuart's surprise tonight. Oh, look at that. We've got a 10-inch pizza with meatballs, pepperoni, chicken, ham, bacon. Oh, this is a full booner. And it's all going to get cooked up in this Dutch oven. And Stuart's got this fancy new, let me just see it, the tray that just basically holds it off the bottom. So obviously that's going to stop it if you're burning underneath. But great bit of the Dutch oven, this cast iron stuff's fantastic. Obviously I've got the Petromax frying pan, but I've not got the Dutch oven. But brilliant bit of kit, me and Stuart have, and Bugsy as well. Oh, we've cooked all sorts in this, roast beef to roast chickens to, was it pork or something we had one week
roast
as well?
Pork we had, roast yeah. Pork. We've done a few roast beef.
Yeah, full roast dinners with the roast tatties.
We'll need to do a turkey at Christmas
oh
time,
yeah,
there's
there's going to be a Christmas dinner special.
Will be.
So that'll be coming, I don't know, in a couple of weeks' time. But right now we're going to get the fire kindled up. Well, it is kindled up, but that's it starting to kind of burn away now. But once that's kind of at a good heat, we'll basically stick the Dutch oven on, stick the pizza in, then it's bon appetit! Right, that's the pizza on. So the tripod's set up as well, so we've got the Dutch oven sitting on the tripod with a meat feast pizza inside, so I think that's going to taste superb. But I do like this tripod, another nice bit of kit.
Oh, see that sound that Dutch ovens make?
Oh, right. Woohoo! So, what we got tonight? A lovely pizza. So, Stuart's kindly cooked the dinner tonight. What have we got? There's pepperoni, meatballs, bacon, chicken, loads of cheese in the top. Oh, I'm going to dig into that. That looks fantastic. Bon appetit! Right, that's us. Look at that. Roasty, toasty.
How hot is it in here, Colin?
I'd say 28 degrees, no bother.
Is it as hot as Rhodes?
Aye, I would say it is.
Will, he messaged me saying it was...
yeah, he was telling me he was sitting in his t-shirt and that, but then another week there he was telling me the storms were coming in, but then the last time he messaged, he says he was back in his shorts and his t-shirt again.
25 degrees I think he says it was. It's getting cold, he says.
That's like a hot summer day
well,
here.
Saying that, it must be at least 40 in here, but...
Well, at least. But that does look good, doesn't it?
Oh yeah, yeah. I like this little stove.
Very nice. Right, that's been going for a wee while, but I must admit it's absolutely roasting in here. So
29 degrees?
Yeah, 29 degrees and rising, but it definitely great stove, very efficient, hardly used any wood. See, compared to if you're having a fire outside, this thing is, normally if we were outside we'd probably went through several bags of wood by now, whereas all I've had with me tonight is a bag of kindlers, some of these sawdust logs, and again I think we've only used about 4 of them.
Yeah, not many, yeah.
If you're lucky.
Yeah.
And that's belting out the heat, absolutely belting out the heat. Obviously, especially because we're in this tent, it's just holding the heat in here, fantastic. You could be sitting outside in the pouring wet rain, which to be honest doesn't really bother us, because we're hardcore.
We're extreme.
We're extreme campers.
But it's all about the adventure.
But it's all about the adventure. But I must admit it does make a difference sitting out the rain, plus having the heat just basically belting away. So, can you beat it? Get yourself out there and buy one. Like I say, discount. If you're a subscriber at my channel, I'll put the discount at the description section down below. Right, that's about 10 o'clock. This has been burning all night. Definitely very efficient. I just had one wee bag of kindlers, a few wee logs, these wee logs, and that's basically, that has lasted all night. But I can't tell a lie, it is roasting in here. I'm sure I'm slowly
41 degrees.
41 degrees at least. Taking the jackets off, doing the t-shirt and all that, it really is.
Oh yeah, we did show that, did we show that?
Yeah, we certainly did.
Did we? Oh no, we showed that in my video, we never showed that in Colin's, sorry.
Well, I do have a recording of it.
Oh yeah, you're going to add that in, yeah,
well,
add that in, Colin.
You never know.
Add it in, that's a bit of fun.
It really is, it's roasting. Definitely I would recommend one of these. And the wood has lasted, would normally, if we were outside, it would have been away hours ago, whereas that has lasted us, basically when we got here this afternoon, so it's lasted hours and hours, and the heat in here, like I say, is roasting.
41 degrees. Even
Right folks, tell you, sweltering in here, this new stove is fantastic. I know you all want one, but when I say it's about 28 degrees, it might even be about 35, but it's that hot that...
Oh, it's so hot!
Right, well, we were out last week, and I was getting ripped to shreds. Ripped to shreds for the amount of time my water was taking to boil. And Bugsy was sitting there all smug and with his nice little brew kit stove. So, I blame you, Bugsy. I blame you. New toy. What have we got?
Can I touch it, Colin?
Oh, just wanting to touch my nice new brew kit stove.
Oh yeah, it looks good. Yeah. Can you see that? Am I touching it?
Oh yeah, there's Stuart touching the stove. So Bugsy, just for you.
Let's see your bag. Your bag seems a bit thicker than mine's. Yeah, my bag's a bit thinner.
Yep. If I can get it out of the bag. Just for you, Bugsy.
I thought yours was even different to Bugsy's one.
So, what have we got inside?
Oh, is that the grill?
With a wee grill part.
Yep, that's definitely different from our one. Oh, yours is the same as Bugsy's one.
Then we've got the stove part. And then you also obviously get the wee stand that comes in the bottom. So Bugsy, this one's for you. Right, I don't know, must be about 10:30, so it's dessert time. So we've got a wee something to eat, custard apple and crunch, as well as a adventure food, mousse au chocolat. So I'm going to boil some water up and see what these taste like. So we'll bring you back once we're chomping into them. Alright? Right, well I think that's ready. So this is the custard apple and crunch from Summit to Eat. So I can even smell it now, it actually smells fantastic. So I'm going to dig into this. Hopefully it's going to taste pretty good. So we'll give it the taste test. Once I've given it the taste test, we'll get a wee marks out of 10. That's one. Right, it's taste test time. So, what did I say this was? Custard apple crunch. Wow, that's good. I like that. So, I'll actually give that a 10 out of 10 because that's lovely actually. Right. Highly recommend. custard apple crunch from Summit to Eat. So very nice, it really is, tastes lovely that, quite impressed. So I'll put the link to the bottom of my channel for Summit to Eat, just in case you fancy buying a couple of these, but very nice, very nice. Right, so this is the mousse au chocolat. Right, again, I don't know if I've put too much water in this. This one's looking a bit watery, right, but whether or not I've put too much water in it, I don't know. But we'll give it the taste test, see what it tastes like. It does look a wee bit like chocolate milk, to be honest, but you never know, it might still taste not bad. So, like I say, taste test time. Oh, I got it the wrong way. I did. No, I did it right there. I'll take photos now, what am I doing? Right, so this is the mousse au chocolat from Adventure Foods. So, taste test time. Like I say, this one definitely looks a lot more, it looks quite watery. It does look, in fact it does actually look like chocolate milk. Right, but we'll see what it's like, see what it tastes like.
It doesn't really tell you where to fill it up to, doesn't it?
No. What I don't like about this, it's quite watery. Also, within the bag, it doesn't actually have the kind of wee markings where it kind of tells you what level to fill it up to. So whether or not that's the reason why it's quite watery, maybe we've put a wee bit too much water in it, but tastes alright. But this one, I'll be honest, just the fact it's watery. It might be my own fault because I've put too much water on it, but 5 out of 10 for this one, I think. So that's Adventure Foods. Alright. But again, I'll put the link under my channel. I might have put it in wrong, the amount of water, so maybe that's just me, but right now it definitely is quite watery. So here we go. Right, I know I gave it a 5 out of 5, but it wasn't actually that bad. It actually tasted quite nice, maybe a wee bit runny, but we'll give it an 8, will we? Give it an 8 out of 10. It was actually quite tasty once you actually started eating it. But, like I say, link at the bottom of the channel if you want to purchase any of these. Oh, fantastic. Great sleep we had on that. Absolutely brilliant. That hot stove. Great tent. Hot stove, what a difference. It really was. It was like 28 degrees in there last night. So
40 degrees.
40 degrees. But I would highly recommend.
It was extreme.
Highly recommend one of these stoves. They're just they're fantastic. Just I can't believe actually how warm I was. Even once I got in my bag last night, I was kind of having to unzip it to basically hang on my arms out because it was that blooming warm. But brilliant. So I can't thank Anevay Stoves enough for sending me that. And this will definitely do out a lot. Hopefully there will be snow next week, so hopefully we'll get it out, possibly in a snow camp as well. We'll wait and see, but I'm hoping it does snow next week. But can't beat it. And the onetigris smoky hut tent, brilliant, just perfect tent for obviously having the stove with. Just the two of them work hand in hand. Right, breakfast time. So, I know Stuart says it's all his, but he's treated me this morning as make my breakfast. So, he's got potato scones, we've got smokey bacon. Yep,
that bacon. This is a cheap one.
We've got square sausage, we've got fruit pudding, we've got black pudding. So, a good old Scottish breakfast. Oh, and the old morning rolls. So we're going to cook that up on top of the Frontier stove. So, should be good. Right, that's the fry up on top of the Frontier stove. Brilliant. Can't beat that sizzling sound, can you? But should be a nice wee good old Scottish breakfast. All kit cooked. The Frontier stove. Right folks, it's breakfast time. So, go fry up. Looking out.